Morning, my dear students. Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the second session of the course. The topic name is Compute in the Cloud. We need to talk into specific. Good morning, my dear students. Good morning, one and all. Welcome to the second session of the course. The topic name is Compute in the Cloud. We need to talk into specific lecture part. Unlocking the power of cloud computing with Amazon EC2, a comprehensive discussion. Actually, in the dynamic landscape of a cloud computing, the Amazon Web Services has emerged as a fortuner because providing a suite of services that empower businesses to scale, innovate, and optimize their operations. In this model of AWS explores the heart of a cloud computing, we need to talk. It's like a compute in the cloud with a particular focus on Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud like Amazon EC2. This part of the lecture, we will delve into the fundamental aspects of the Amazon EC2, its benefits, instance types, billing options, and associated services that enhance its capabilities. The first point, we need to talk about the benefits of Amazon EC2 at a basic level. Amazon EC2, the cornerstone of AWS compute services, it offers a flexible, scalable, and secure cloud computing solutions. At its core, EC2 that enables users to rent virtual servers, commonly referred to as instances, providing a complete control over computing resources. The benefits of Amazon EC2 that extend beyond a more and mere virtualization. So what are the points we need to discuss now? Starting from the scalability, EC2 that allows businesses to scale their compute capacity up or down that are based on a demand and ensuring optimal performance without over provisioning. And according to the flexibility, we know the process like users can choose from a wide range of instance types that are optimized for various use cases, starting from a general purpose instances to compute optimized instances or memory optimized instances also we can say here. What about the security? The Amazon EC2, that instances run in a virtual private cloud like a VPC, and it's offering a secure and isolated environment. And users can also employ a security groups and a network access control that are listed to further enhance the security level. Okay, the next will be identifying Amazon EC2 instance types. Actually, the diversity in the workloads demands diversity in instance types. Amazon EC2 that provides a plethora of instance types that are tailored to specific use cases. So what are the points we have to talk now? Starting from the general purpose instances. Balanced compute, memory, and networking resources that is very suitable for a variety of applications. And second will be a compute optimized instances. It's like ideal for a compute bound applications that benefit from high performance processors. The third will be a memory optimized instances. It's like designed for a memory intensive applications such as like a databases and in-memory analytics, everything we can say. The fourth will be a storage optimized instances. It's like optimized for storage intensive workloads and providing a high and a low latency storage. So is there any building options for Amazon EC2? We need to talk important of the 4 points. Actually, understanding the building options is a very crucial for optimizing cost and resource allocation. Like Amazon EC2 that offers a various pricing models starting from the on-demand instances. Just look like pay-as-you-go pricing with no upfront cost, and it's very suitable for a short-term and unpredictable workloads. According to the reserved instances, it's a upfront payment process and it's for a significant discount on hourly changes and ideal for a stable workloads with a predictable usage. And third will be on a spot instances. It's like a bit for unused EC2 capacity at a potentially lower cost that is very suitable for a flexible and non-critical workloads. Finally, when a dedicated host, so physical servers that are dedicated to your use, and it's offering compliance and control benefits there. So what about the Amazon EC2 auto scaling? We need to talk here. Actually, efficiently managing varying workloads is very simplified with Amazon EC2. That is process look like auto scaling. This service is automatically adjust the number of EC2 instances in a fleet to maintain application availability and performance. So what are the key benefits we need to talk here? Starting from the cost optimization, auto scaling that ensures that you have the right number of instances at any given time. It's like a minimizing cost during a periods of a lower demand. According to the enhanced availability, distributing instances across a multiple availability, like a zones that enhances a fault tolerance and ensures a high availability process. Next will be an ELB, that is like elastic load balancing. Elastic load balancing is a pivotal component in ensuring a fault tolerance and efficient distribution of incoming application traffic. So what are the key benefits included? We have to talk now. First, we have high availability. Distributes incoming traffic across multiple instances to ensure no single instance bears the entire load. According to the automatic scaling, it works seamlessly with auto scaling. It's like dynamically adjusting to changes in demand process. That's like automatic scaling, we can say here. So what are the examples of uses for elastic load balancing we need to talk here? Just to consider an e-commerce website experiencing a surge in traffic during a flash sale. ELB, like elastic load balancing, it can intelligently distribute the increased load across multiple instances that are preventing any single server from becoming a bottleneck and ensuring a smooth shopping experience for users or consumers. So what are the process we have to talk here according to the Amazon SNS versus Amazon SQS? That is very important stage. Amazon, that is simple notification services SNS, and Amazon simple queue service, that is SQS, that are both the messaging services but with distinct purposes. According to the Amazon SNS, it's for publish or subscriber managing service that enables applications to send messages to a variety of distributed subscribers. And whatever the Amazon SQS, it's for queue service that it decouples the components of a cloud application that's allowing them to run independently. In essence, we can say SNS is ideal for scenarios where multiple subscribers need a real-time updates, while SQS is designed for decoupling and asynchronous communication between distributed components. So what are the additional AWS compute options we need to talk and finalize in the second lecture part? Beyond EC2, AWS that offers a spectrum of compute services. It's a very catering to specific use cases. So what are the points we have to talk now? According to the AWS Lambda, serverless compute service that automatically scales and executes code in response to events. And according to the ECS, that is Amazon Elastic Container Service, container management service that supports like Docker containers. Third will be an AWS Elastic Beanstalk, like a fully managed service that makes it easy to deploy and run applications in multiple languages. It's like it's also called AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So in a conclusion, we have to focus Amazon EC2 that serves as the bedrock of AWS compute services, and it's providing unparalleled flexibility, scalability, and security. Understanding the intricacies of EC2 instance types, building options, and complementary services, it's look like auto scaling and elastic load balancing is very paramount for organization aiming to harness the true potential of a cloud computing process. As the cloud computing landscape continues to evolve, staying informed about additional AWS compute options that ensures that our businesses can adapt and thrive in the digital era. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the second session of the topic of compute in the cloud. Thank you once again, and